Alright guys, here we are in Lorton, Virginia at the Pick and Save. We're here to fix a 2010 Hyundai Elantra's passenger side power window motor. It's out right here. It looks like it's going to rain today, so we got to fix this quickly before the rain comes and messes this car up. Alright, let's do it.
You want to pull them off? Take it up there. Thank you.
Alright, you said from, okay, see that red car, taxi? You're saying go 6 rows up and then take a left? For the white?
No, let me see this. Alright, so the way the yard is set up, A is on the left, B is on the right.
Okay.
The rows start ascending. The first car is row 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the right hand side.
Right.
That's where the 10 is going to be.
Okay.
2010. It's white.
Alright, let's do it. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate your job. Alright, let's see if I can find this car on one shot. I never usually have good luck when it comes to junkyards finding stuff, but we'll see today. All we're looking for is a power window motor for the front passenger side of this 2010 Hyundai Elantra. Alright. At times this can be kind of fun. You never know what you may find. Hola, señor. Alright. Alright guys, found it on the first shot. 2010 Hyundai Elantra. It's the exact year for the power window motor for the one that I'm needing to replace. Alright, as you can see, this thing is jacked up. Okay, so let's see if I can find it. Boom, right there. That is the power window motor for the front passenger side. Luckily, for whatever reason, they stripped everything inside there except the actual power window motor. So, gotta find my way inside and see what we can do to get that off and put that into the car that I'm looking to fix. Alright. Alright guys, this is actually going to be a fairly simple job because whoever picked and pried at this before already took off the door panel. And that's it. And once I'm done with that, I'll go pay for it. I have the Elantra outside of the pick and save. If it doesn't work, I'll just bring it back and then go pull it from the 2007s, because luckily the 2007 through 2010 Hyundai Elantra uses the same exact power window motor. Alright guys, I was able to secure the power window motor, so now it's time to install it into the Hyundai Elantra 2010. Alright, this is a fairly simple job. It's not hard. First you're going to get a small flathead, stick it in there, make sure you don't scratch the material. Pull that down. There's one more in there. Come on, plastic thing. There we go. We're going to go ahead and remove the 2 screws within the door panel. Set this aside. Set this aside. Move the plate. We're going to remove this portion. Okay, we can let that hang, it doesn't matter. Trim panel tool removers all the way to the bottom. Work your way around. Push down, pull out. Okay, this is a T20 Torx bit. We're gonna remove the 3 screws. T20 Torx, 3 of them. Move this piece, harness, now it's out. So this is the new one from the junkyard. Go ahead and compare it. Make sure it's the same. The dates are different, but it's fine. Same part. Alright, before I install it all the way, I'm just going to go ahead and turn the car on and see if this actually moves or not. If it doesn't move, that means we don't have any power to it and it doesn't work. I have to first test the power to see if this junkyard power window motor for the other Elantra that was junked up will work in this nice 2010 Hyundai Elantra. So first, let's go ahead and start the car. Well, not start it, but at least turn it on to see if the power works. And then when it works, I'll just go ahead and reinstall it in reverse order. Let's do it. Alright, here's the moment of truth. Okay, lights are on. Power to the regular driver's side works. Now let's go ahead and check to see if it works for the passenger side. And it does. We have success. Alright, that is it. Thank you guys. Like, share, and subscribe.